Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another scan code video. Today we'll be taking a look at some of the newer Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous scan codes, which includes the Soundstrike figures, the Savage Strikes, and the new Tyrannosaurus Rex, which I'm not sure if it scans into the game, but we'll take a look and see. So first off, we'll start with Bumpy. This guy was re-released in the lineup with the Pteranodon and the gallimimus and dimorphodon. Now we've got the Pteranodon, which is one of my favorite figures. I absolutely love these guys. I'm trying to collect quite a few of them, and I'm planning some photography things soon. Here is Monolothasaurus. It has a very interesting color pattern on this one, with kind of like an orangey and then greeny orange on the darker brownish, blackish color. Very nice looking. I heard that they're going to release Monolothasaurus with a Kenji figure, so maybe we'll be seeing Monolothasaurus in Camp Cretaceous Season 3. So here is the Stygimoloch with its new paint job. Very neat. Not sure if it'll appear in Camp Cretaceous, let alone in that color, but you never know. Here is the Triceratops. This one's also quite an interesting colored figure. So a lot of these newer Camp Cretaceous figures are kind of like more earthy in their feels, less colorful than the previous lines like the dinorivals. Here we have Baryonyx Grim. I'm super excited to get the rest of them made as figures, and hopefully their paint jobs are just as nice as this one. From the prototype images that I saw online, they're not looking too detailed, but hopefully that'll change when we get the actual figures in hand. So here's the Pteranodon. Try and focus in on that. Very interesting color scheme. Nothing that we've seen in Camp Cretaceous so far. Pretty cool to see if Mattel made, you know, the blue variant of the Jurassic World Pteranodon. That's something they've yet to do. Okay, now let's try the Tyrannosaurus. Let's see if this guy scans in. I personally can't try it. I don't have the app at the moment. But I probably should get that. It's a good catalog. So yeah, let me know if that's scanned or not, and if there wasn't any that were scanning in, feel free to leave that comment down in the comment section below, and I'll just make another video and include that one in it. And don't forget, you can pause the video to scan. Few people are having difficulties because I like move it around sometimes, so don't forget you can also pause it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this scan code video and could add some to your collection, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.